So our mentor sentence this week is nothing ever happens on 90th Street. Our sentence is the door to the building slammed and a gust of wind sent dead leaves soaring and dipping like crazy kites. So in this sentence, you'll notice that we have the conjunction right here. We also have another conjunction here. This is our main one, splitting up this piece from the next. And so this right here allows us to know that our sentence is a compound sentence. Now, everything else in this sentence we have discussed. We know all of these different label pieces. Just though, take note though, the fact that we do have quite a few nouns in this sentence, as well as quite a few verbs. So just kind of be on the lookout for those. But everything else should be very familiar to you. Have fun with this mentor sentence this week. See you later.